Would you have a look at that? If you want to see how I did it, continue watching. At the moment, I can only take one mini hot rod with me. This one fits in the back of my ute. Just after I have the tailgate down, I have to take the front wheels off, and it's a pain in the butt. I also have to take the trailer off the car to get this in and out, and that's also a pain in the butt. So I want to be able to load the red and white one on the bottom because it weighs a ton, and then move the ramps up and have one on top of it. So I want to be able to platform up there. We've got all this angle iron that I'm going to use. Throw it together and make a double decker mini hot rod car trailer. First thing I've got to do is mark out these holes. Then I might put 2 more extra holes in it. 4 bolts on each side. Then get these bolted down, and then I can build off there. Everything will be built off the trailer. I've got these 2 frames up. I'm going to put the uprights in, and then the cross pieces across. And that'll tie everything together and make it nice and sturdy. So that's kind of what I was thinking. I'm not sure if it'll work yet. The front wheels are right in here, and then I'll have to probably cut a bit out of here for the back wheels to sit in. But for now, I'm just going to tack this and try and put the pedal car up there and see what's what, basically. I'm going to record this because it could go pear-shaped and it might be funny. For you, not for me. Let's try this. See if that handbrake works. No, I need a steering lock. I can't load it up backwards. Sides will go away. I'm going to stop being silly. That body's going to scrape the ground. So this isn't going to work. So as you just saw, I can't push that thing up the ramps. I've just had a crazy idea. Each one of these corners, put a pivot on. So that's 12 pivots. And the whole thing should collapse, or sort of go almost to the level of the trailer bed. And that way I'd be able to push that sucker up there, no problem. But then I'd have to raise the whole thing back up again. How would I do that? In a reasonable time frame. I want this ready by Thursday, and today's Tuesday. Now for the moment of truth. Does this work? Oh yes. A little bit stiff on that side. It works. Ah. Needs a slight adjustment on this side, the right side. But that's what I wanted it to do. I'll be able to get the hot rod up there now. It'll be locked into 2 uprights. So I'm going to put 2 uprights and it'll lock into those. This will work 100%. I'm digging it. Come on down. I could get some gas struts. That'll help me lift it. Yeah, gas struts. I have done it. I've added an extra 130 kilos of lifting power with these 65 kilo or 140-ish pounds, maybe 130. Two of them, they're pretty cheap, 20 bucks each. I bought 4 just in case. The issue is, it's not a huge issue, but when this is empty, for me to pull this down, I have to put a lot of weight on it. How hard is it? It's up there, it's up there. Bam. Lift it up. And then it just wants to stay away. Look at that. The only thing I don't like about this whole thing is the wobble. Once I lock it in, I've got some over center locks. Once I lock it in up there, I'm hoping it'll be a bit less wobbly. I've been busy. Made latches. So at the moment this is holding this from coming up. When you pull this, that springs out and that springs out. It's about as simple as I can make it. Got a little spring under there. Just lift it up. These springs are really, really powerful. And here it is, all finished. Got the 2 over center locks. Got wheel stops. Red and white cars going underneath. Got my spring-loaded latches. An easy pull cable. And I'm gonna load it up. There we have it. The double-decker mini hot rod trailer. Here's a thing of beauty. It is quite tall. It's over 2 meters. So no drive-throughs for me. That's all good. I'm not worried about the paint up there. I'm gonna age that body and make it look old and do some old sign writing on it, maybe some pinstripes, who knows. This one's used to being on the bottom trailer, so yeah, that's where it usually lives. And I got a little bit of room, 1.5 inch, about 40 mil, thereabouts, which is what I planned for. Yeah, very happy. Stand back here and look at that. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun making it. And see you in the next one.